Today my dad is gonna weld. Today my dad is gonna weld. What?
Yep,
Are
welding
you gonna
the
explode that?
exhaust.
Are you gonna explode that tank?
No.
Oh.
Negative. One sec here.
And also, guys, I'm gonna make a song. But I'm not gonna sing like a song that's already made. I'm gonna make a song that I made. I'm gonna make my own made song. So I already as you all know, I've already made 2 made up songs, but I'm gonna make one more. It's gonna be a creepy song. So stay tuned on my chat. Oh my gosh. 1 second, guys. So stay tuned on my channel to see my new made-up song. Okay, I think my dad's about ready. Are you?
Yep, very close, good.
Okay. Okay, my dad is gonna weld.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Okay, my dad is gonna weld. Actually, Dad, I'm gonna get a chair. Okay, guys, so my dad's gonna weld, but right now he's talking.
Alright, you ready?
Well, oh, here. Okay, I'm ready. You done?
Almost. Well, I'm done for a
Did
second.
you almost start it?
Yeah.
Done?
Almost.
Oh yeah, you have to go all around. I thought you were done, so I opened my eyes accidentally.
Alright.
Done?
Yep.
Okay, guys, my dad is done welding. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, see you in the next video where I make my song. Bye, guys.